Here I have a split air conditioner from Sebro. This is Sebro air conditioner which is not cooling. The problem with this AC is it is not blowing cold air, but instead it is blowing hot air all the time, which is not the purpose of an air conditioner, as nowadays it is hot. So here I have opened it. You can see the display is hanging over here. This is just I removed the top cover, the front cover from, and the display had been come out. So now I will check it in front of you. So you people stay with this video and hope you will learn the complete air conditioner repair process in this video, what I did and how I repaired it. So stay with me till the end of this video. So here, as you can see, this AC is not blowing cold air. I am switching it on from the circuit breaker. I have to switch it on first, and then later I will switch on using my remote control. Now I'm switching on through this remote control as the 24 temperature is set now, as you can see. So now I'm switching on. As you can see, by power I switched it on and the display is showing 24 degrees and the lights are showing that the unit is switched on, and now it is blowing air, but the air is not cold. So this one is the problem with this air conditioner, and we will repair it. So the problem with this one, sometimes the problem is in the indoor unit. Actually, this air conditioner split is in two parts. One is the indoor, which you can see in front of you. So this is the indoor unit, and it has some electronic parts over here. Some electronic card is there, the PCB, which has some components, some relays, and some other components, like contactor is there. So there is a microprocessor also, and some temperature sensing sensors, which are giving command to the contactor, and that's switching on the outdoor unit, and the outdoor unit has compressor. So now we have problem. I checked it and there is no problem in the indoor. I completely thoroughly checked it. There is no problems. I did not see anything. So now I'm switching it off, completely off, out of the power, and we will go to the outdoor unit and I will show you the fault. So here we have been come to the outdoor unit. This is installed on the roof, on the top of the roof. Here I have a multimeter, you can see, and if you have a doubt that the indoor is bad or outdoor is bad, you can check it over here. Here is the power connection to this unit. Actually the two wires are connected here, and you can see these two wires. So if you will switch the air conditioner on and set some temperature, and here you will check the voltage using your voltmeter or multimeter, then if you will get the voltage over here, so the indoor unit is good then, and if you will not get any voltage, so then the indoor unit is bad. If the voltage is there, so it means, and it is not cooling, it means that there is some problem with the outdoor unit. So here we are going to check it. Actually I'm not going to check using multimeter. Instead I'm just opening, because I did it already and now the power is not there. I switched off. So if your screws are over here, which are the fasteners which are holding this top cover, I removed all the screws and kept them side. Now we are able to remove this cover. So the screws, just you can see over here, some are missing and some are still there, and a few tools you need. These very basic tools which every household will have. So these tools we will be using to repair this air conditioner. So here you can see this air conditioner top cover we had removed, and now I will see inside. I will show you. So here you can see here is a compressor inside. There are two items, one is the fan and one is the compressor. So this one is the fan and here is the condenser unit. So this is the wiring. So the wiring had been come in and distributed to these two parts. One is compressor and the other is fan. Here is a capacitor, you can see, and this capacitor is used to power up the compressor. This is some 45 microfarad, and the fault you can see over here. This wire had been broken. As you can see, this had been burnt. The terminal had been burnt actually. So the burning you can see very visible, and this problem was very much in front of us. So we are very easily we can repair it now. So here you can see the terminal had been busted. So one way is to replace this capacitor and the other way is to repair the wiring. So what we will do is, as you can see, this white wire is still intact to the capacitor, and this wire which had been burnt, this was also connected in parallel to that white wire. So if we will remove some insulation over here and will couple this wire here, so this will repair our problem, because these are the very same. These two wires were connected to the same way, so same place on the capacitor terminal. So if we will couple them outside, even it will do. So this will be the easy repair we can attempt. So this way we will be able to repair this unit, and I will remove the insulation and will show you later on how we are repairing it. So let us see. Now I removed the insulation from, and I coupled that burnt wire to this white wire. The downside, you can see the red wire. Red wire we will not touch, but instead the white wire we are touching and we are coupling. And now here I will provide some insulation tape. Some properly I will insulate it, not to make any short circuit, because short circuiting is something not good. So I will insulate it, and then later on I will show you how I did it. So as you can see, I'm doing it one hand, so it's a little bit difficult for me. I will show you after short how I insulated this one. So this is an easy job. Hope you will be able to understand it, and hope you will be doing it very easily if something is going bad with you. So here now you can see I just insulated properly these two wires which I repaired, and you can see my repair is perfect, and the perfect repair is required actually. And here the connections, everything I have tightened it, and nothing had been loose. Here you can see this wire, this somebody attempted before me, and some insulation tape they have provided to this small capacitor. This small capacitor is actually for the fan. We are not touching it. Sometimes this is a 1 unit capacitor, one capacitor containing two, and sometimes it's two capacitors. There are two capacitors are there, like in my. So you must like this video, subscribe, and press on the bell icon to get my notifications on each upload. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, and share with your friends.